Hi everyone, look what just arrived. This is the August 2023 Meaningful Flowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let's check it out. As we were told, there were going to be two stamp sets. One is actually to make up the kit and the other is just a bonus, and that's always fun. And let's take a look. I think the bonus one is this flower. It looks like lilies, maybe from like a lily pad, but there's a stem. Maybe it's a lotus flower. Really pretty. This is one of those detail stamps where it has shading built into the image, so that's going to be fun to use. And then this one has a lily pad, and it says, "You rise above the rest. Your friendship is, oops, unforgettable. You are capable of amazing things." And then there's a really pretty flower image here, and then that lily pad. All right, and then our spot this month is Pretty Peacock. Ooh. Okay, let's open this up. This looks really pretty. Look at these little die cuts here. Okay, so looks like we have some linen thread and some tear tape. This has some dimensionals as well as some little gems. And here are the cards. Look at this pretty background. This is like a little lily pad lake, and this is the base. Okay, so this kit is supposed to tell us about different flowers and their meanings. So this is talking about the lotus flower, so that must be a lotus flower stamp. So I was correct there, and it's talking about the meanings of it. And there's, look at the envelope, has a pretty little lotus flower on it as well. And then the other flower is a forget-me-not. So that's the other stamp, floral. A little forget-me-not. We used to have these growing up in our yard, and I haven't seen one since then, so maybe that would be fun to plant. And then the meaning of a forget-me-not flower. So it's just a nice little card that's got a little saying on the back. You can even give someone a packet of seeds with forget-me-nots. I have seen them at the grocery. Okay, look at how pretty this card is. It's got this little fun fold. Oh, and then more layers. Probably go behind there. Let's take a closer look at that lily one. And this one folds up. So it probably layers like this and folds up. I like this color. This is that Orchid Oasis. Ooh, look at that. So it looks like this one has some really fun layering pieces as well. Probably something like this. Well, you know what? I don't have to guess because there's instruction sheet. Okay, so this is going to go like that. And then some lily pads get added, I bet. Very fun cards. Let me find the instruction sheet. Here it is. Okay. So yes, I was correct. We have some layering. Oh, and then that piece is vellum. And it looks like you're gonna put a lily behind. So you've got 4 of each, so 8 altogether, and some really pretty layering pieces. So anyway, a really beautiful kit with an extra stamp. And again, this one is not really used in the projects because you've already got the die cut, but it's just fun to have a little extra one, and you can make some more cards because they wanted you to have them, like it says here. So the back of this one says, "Forget-me-not flowers symbolize love, devotion, and memories," and then it kind of talks a little bit about that. So you could give this to somebody and they'll see on the back what that stands for. And then same with the lotus flower, strength, resilience, and wisdom. very pretty. If you missed out on this kit and you wish that you would get it, you can contact me and I will see if I have any extra. I usually get several each month, so I have some extra. They usually go pretty fast these days, I have to say. So let me know if you would like the Meaningful Flowers August 22 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you never want to miss a kit, they are really fun. You can subscribe and get a kit every month, and you're billed once a month, and that way you just have a small bill every month that comes to your door and you don't have to even think about it. Or you can purchase a prepaid code and you can prepay all at once, and then the months go by and you can get them each month. So anyway, that's how you can do it. I'll put those links in the video description, and if you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to talk about all things Stampy. Thanks so much for watching.